plumbingservices.co.uk. It's easy to remember and tells Google exactly what you do and where you do it. Another top tip would be to not use any hyphens or numbers. These make your domain name look spammy, and it's hard for your customers to remember and find online most of the time. So avoid names like 5-plumbing-4-u.co.uk or something along those lines. This is all for the future of building your website. So we're setting the foundation here. We're buying your domain name, which is going to help Google find your business. So if your business is RG Plumbing Solutions and you're just starting out in business, nobody is going to be searching for RG Plumbing Solutions on Google. They're just not going to do it. So I would suggest doing your location, your service, and possibly your name. So you'd have RG Plumbing Solutions Fife or fifeplumbing-solutions.co.uk. And we'd also use .com or .net, .biz, but I would try the best to use .co.uk or .com if you're in America, or .nl if you're in Holland, etc, etc. So after you've purchased your domain, you'll need some hosting for your domain. Namecheap do a package called EasyWP, which is here. And as you can see, it's really cheap and great for getting started. So they'll give you a domain name and hosting for free for a month, and that gives you everything you need. But if you're thinking of long-term and growth, etc., I would suggest just registering your domain name first, and then we'll go on to registering a hosting account or purchasing a hosting account, which will be in the next step. See you there.